Hello friends, I'm Saqib Ali and today we are discussing about the difference between latch and the flip-flop. In this presentation we are going to find the answer of common question in digital electronics. We can see a familiar one to you to see in your SR Latch. So there is no input in this control circuit, and there is no input control SR latch. We can change accidentally or intentionally. The circuit is not useful. So we are control input by we can decide your change S and R. So we will store until we have to use it. We need two more NAND gate for this purpose. First goes here like this. There is one common input and second NAND gate is here. There is a one common input in both NAND gates. And we call first S and second is R, and we call this S star and this R is R star. So let me tell you we can use latch as well as flip-flop. Let we see how we can use the circuit for latch. The only thing that decide the acting as a latch in this control input is not clocked, just enable. When this is high, will operate. When it is unable, and is what the level type, and this is called the level trigger. So what I mean, let me draw the first a random signal of operational circuit. So we can take a random signal, and this is operational when enable is high. When enable is high for this purpose and for this period, and circuit will not operate for this period. For this period, it's a very simple thing. Now that happen in case of flip-flop. Before we go to flip-flop, first I explain operational. Why circuit is operational when enable is high. I write the value of S star is equal to enable n. So the value of enable n is equal to 1 and S star is equal to S bar. Similarly en is equal to 0 and S star is equal to 1 and R star is equal to 1. Similarly, this is the both inputs is equal to 1, so we can call it the memory store. It is your memory store. So this latch is stored in this until we can change en, so that why we can call SR latch with controlled input. So the working for this, and this case enable. Now we will see the circuit for act for this flip-flop when it is having a clock in place of enable. So clock, this is no, you know what is clock, like this. this like, but it will be flip flop only when there is trying we are called the edge triggering, which mean the clock goes from high to low, from high to low, and from low to high during this period only the operational. In that case we can call the flip flop. Last, I want to give you a conclusion for this difference between latch and flip flop. Latch is a level sensitive. When there is input is check, the input is if input is 1 0 if it is unable, but in case of flip flop the circuit will be operational only when the clock is changing from high to low or from low to high. This is the difference between latch and the flip flop. I hope you will got it.